Writing a business plan is a two-part process. There is the written part and then the financial part. The financial forecast and projections are the most important. When you choose Business Plan Recipe by Plan for Profits, you get a team of restaurant experts working for you. We have a proven track record in the restaurant and business planning world, and we have a great track record in getting our clients funding. And isn't that what you want? Funding? You don't want a business plan, you want money. We'll write a business plan that you can use to pitch to lenders and/or investors. Your plan will include an overview of your concept, customer counts, average spends, revenues, cost of goods sold for food and beverage, labor costs, other expenses, projected income, startup costs, marketing strategy, roster of key players. With the Business Plan Recipe business plan, you get a business plan that is clear, concise, and focused on the financial side of the business, stuff that investors and lenders want to see. Call 1-844-733-7526 to get the funding you need.